Hello friends, welcome to this fifth video of hallway flood shot. So in this video I will show you how to export simulation in BGO files. So in last videos we see that how we can create these kind of particle system and simulations for our scene. If we select from the camera, it's like that. Okay, now we want to save that. As you can see that I can scroll back and forth here because this is default cache. It's created by Houdini, that this cache data is not saved somewhere. So if I want to send this particles data to another Houdini for rendering or for meshing, so for that I can use some other nodes. So for example, I can quickly give you example, like if you go inside geo node, and this is just for demonstration, there is no relation with the scene. Click tab, and here you can start typing file. Here you can see that file cache. This cache node will be your node that will save your data into the disk. Okay, here we are on geometry level, so in geometry level data you can export with that. Other than that, if you are in dynamics level, so let's say if or inside Autodesk, there will be another file. If you select this, there will be simulation option for this file node. So this file and inside geometry level or inside scene node, those files are different, but this file node will export the .sim file which is the simulation file. And if you are here, let's say if we want to export our whitewater simulation, just go there, and if we want to export our particles, then here we can take a file node, sorry, not file cache. Select this file cache and just link with your particles to this file cache. So now you can say that here you have the option for selecting the path. By default you can see there are some sort of expression which is there. I'll quickly give you what is this. This is actually a $hip represent where your file is. So right now my file is saved in like this flip folder, so this path is up to flip. Where your file is saved, $hip represent that. $hip name is the name of the scene, which is this, and $os is the name of this operator, so whatever operator name is there. So I would recommend do not use like that, because sometimes you change your version and your name will not match, your cache will not match with that. So you can put your name up from after this. Okay, so let's say if we can give here, I will, instead of geo, I will give demo, and up to $f, here we can give the name. So first we'll export the foam. Okay, foam $f. $f stand for the frame number. So if you want to evaluate this expression, you can middle click, and you can see the entire path. And again, if you click on that, that will convert into expression again. But if I create any cache, then all the like bubbles, foam, and the third element spray will be the save on this one file. But that I don't want, because I want full control in the rendering. So what we can do, we can just turn off these options. So as you can see that if I turn off the bubbles, it will turn off from viewport. So you can see in the viewport this is turned off, This also spray turn off, so now only the foam is visible here. Now let's go back to your import white matter. Here you can see this file cache node, and now you can set the time frame. So for now I will set the time frame. I want only 90 frame to be cached out. Okay, export to file. There you can see this option. You can hit render, and once you hit render, it will start this processing level set. And after that, if you play that simulation or any temporary cache is built by Houdini, then this process is very fast. But if you're running first time, then it will maybe take like long time to do this. Meanwhile, I have another Houdini open here, and I will just load the simulation which we rendered there. Let me open a new. Yeah, so we have new Houdini, and we'll see where our scene is. Yes, so now I can see that our caching thing is done for the foam. This is only for foam. Same process will apply for spray. So let's create for spray. Now go back to white simulations. In that you can turn off the foam, turn on the spray, and go back to the white feathers, select, leave everything default, just hit render it again. Now our spray particles is going out. We have a new Houdini here just for demonstrate like how we can call back these files in a new Houdini session. So to call back these files, you can create a geometry node. In geometry, you will by default you will get a file node. All you can do is I would save this file so my .hip function will evaluate properly. So let's save this file in a location where you are working. In my case, I'm working in this location, so where I can test this read cache version 001. So in this I will read the cache from my .geo folder, which is created by this node. So let's say just copy this path. I can directly go and browse that also, but just for convenience you can just copy and paste because the same thing you created. Okay, just make sure the timeline should match, and display that. So as you can see that your spray particles is in new Houdini, and you can like scroll back and forth, and it's working fine. Same thing apply for, you can rename that. Okay, whatever. Control C, Control V, and this time we'll change that to foam, because as we know that we did the name foam particles, and change here also. So if you use the merge node here and select both and click here to joint and see, you can see that both particles are visible there. So like this way I used I export all the particles, which is simulation, flip simulation, spray, foam, bubbles, and after that I created mesh for them. So in next video I will show you how to create mesh with these particle system. So see you in next video. Thank you.